So the developing worship job is not very splendid, but you can be proud to work for your country. As we know, in order to win the Navy battle, Navy must build the best warships by using the cutting-edge technology. So we can have the opportunity. You students have the opportunity to develop best warships and research by using advanced technologies. With your government support, you can continue to focus on the best technology regardless the business is good or not. Because as long as your country exists, your government have to build the best warships to protect and defend your country. So I'd like the chance to today about the warship characteristics and the warship recent trends. During the lecture, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Then I can respond by using my long experience. Okay? Okay. Let's start our lecture.
말씀하시는 게 불안정하거든요. 네. 인간은
Maybe audio system is something wrong.
You can continue your speech, Professor Na, so that I can monitor.
그리고 이거 전체 화면으로 더 돌리겠습니다.
사운드가 이어폰으로 안 들어오는 것 같아요. 이동환 씨 목소리도 들리는 거 보니까.
사운드가 이어폰 안 들었는데.
이동환 씨 목소리가 들리더라고. 그리고 이것도 아직도 발표자 화면 보기가 됐는데.
네네.
완전히 바꿔놓으세요. 네, let's go ahead, Professor.
How about the voice? My voice?
It's better now.
Better? Okay, good. Okay, let's start our lecture. I start my lecture, the three categories: roles of warships, and the warship design characteristics, and warship design trends. Now, what is the warship? The warships are defined as the vessel for fighting and the fighting support, and performs the function of the fighting and floating and moving for their missions. And also, warships act as home quarters for crew and components. So, needs complicated military needs and long-term facilities. For all about the complex environments, warships have the most complex but fascinating engineering systems. So all our designers, warship designers, should compromise and balance many complex requirements.
소리가 또 불안정해가지고.
이거
이어폰 안 끼시는
이어폰 안 끼는 게 어때요? 소리가? 한 교수님. 한 교수님, 이어폰 안 끼는 게 어때요?
들을만 해요. 그냥 이렇게 빼고 하시죠. 빼고 하시라고요.
좀 나와요?
네.
오케이. Very good. Warship operates generally the warship operates in group. Task force, we call task force to carry out carrier task group. You can consider the right hand side the picture. Carrier task group and anti-air warfare. From surface ship to anti-air, for example, the airplane or missiles. And anti-submarine warfare. My ship to the submarine warfare. And anti-surface to surface, surface ship to surface ship, we say the ASUW. And amphibious warfare. And from the Marines, landing the Marine Corps land to reach the land, they use the amphibious warfare.
이게 소리가 제가 TV에서 듣고 있는데
이걸 좀 궁금했어요.
저는
그 김재환 교수 방으로 마우스 좀, 아니, 이어폰 좀 빨리 갖다 줘. 지금, 땡큐.
이게 이어폰이 마이크가 안 되는 것도 덜어 있어가지고.
저건 되더라고. 저건 처음 해봤어. 이게 좀. Okay, I'll try to new earphones. 땡큐. 다른 걸로 했는데 좀 안 돼서. 소리가 어떠세요, 황 교수님? 황 교수님?
교수님 아까 잠시 나오신 것 같아요. 지금 안 듣고 계신 것 같아요.
황 교수님.
제가 자리 가서 한번 들어보겠습니다.
괜찮으세요?
안 들리는 것 같은데요? 소리는 들리세요?
저쪽이 지금 가드를 안 하고 있는 것 같아요.
다른 사람이 이야기하면 들리세요?
지금 저쪽이 지금 닫아놨어.
다
안 들린대. I'm sorry, some troubles to systems.
예, 지금 잘 들리고 있습니다.
김동환이가 하다가.
나연석 교수님, 아까보다 상태 나아진 것 같습니다.
많이 키워야지, 그렇지. 많이 키워야지. 그건 듣는 거잖아요, 그죠?
예, 지금 소리 잘 나오고 있습니다.
아까 이어폰 바꾸고 그 말씀하시는 거를 더 명확히
마이크 되는데.
그럼 된가요?
교수님은 이어폰으로 지금 안 들리십니까?
난 안 들려.
이어폰으로 안 들리십니까?
한 교수님 들리세요?
예, 잘 들립니다.
저도 잘 들립니다. My student is very excellent. We fixed it perfectly. Okay. Anyway, we worship operated in many task groups, just like the CSG, AAW, ASW, and the SUSUS, amphibious, the mine warfare, and anti-land warfare. This right-hand side is the picture is the all of the task force mission is deployed. Okay.
슬라이드쇼 해주세요. 슬라이드쇼.
슬라이드쇼.
파워포인트 슬라이드쇼. 메뉴가
슬라이드쇼.
예.
Okay. Very briefly, I will explain the classification of warships. Generally, we classify the warships like this: combatant ship and auxiliary ships. In combatant ship, surface ship, and submarines. And surface ship, aircraft carrier, destroyer, frigate, patrol vessels, amphibious warfare ships. And submarines, the nuclear submarine, and diesel electric submarine, and small submersibles. And there are many auxiliary ships. So students can
여전히 안 돼가지고 그 교수님께 스마트폰으로 그걸 연결하실 수 있습니까? 그 링크.
근데 저기는 없는데.
그 스마트폰 주세요, 이동환 씨한테.
스마트폰으로 메일 들어가지고.
줬어요. 네.
네,
링크.
네. 카톡으로 하시면 되잖아. 카톡으로. 카톡으로 내가 안 드렸나? 이메일만 되겠구나. 카톡으로 보내드릴게.
링크가 어떤 건가요?
내가 카톡으로 보내드릴게요. 나영수.
아니, 이거 회의 들어왔던 링크. 아까 그 휴대폰으로 메일을 볼 수 있습니다.
아니, 제가 카톡으로 보낼게요. 카톡으로.
카톡으로 보낸다고 그랬지. 아니, 카톡으로 보낸다고 그랬어.
아, 네네. 이걸로 참여해서 마이크를 이걸로 쓰고 비디오를 이걸로 쓰면 될 것 같습니다.
이걸 듣고.
네네. 네. 아, 아닙니다.
세팅해 주시고, 제가 세팅해 주시고. 네.
아,
그건 게 없어.
해야 되구나.
그냥,
마이크만 이걸로 하면 되겠네.
네네, 알겠습니다.
아니, 스피커 마이크 다 하나로 하세요. 나누시면 안 되고, 사운드는 무조건 다 스마트폰으로 하고, 비디오만 노트북으로 하고. 이쪽 오디오는, 노트북의 오디오는 다 끄시고, 저쪽은 다 켜놔도 되고. 그러니까 하여튼 오디오만 문제인데요. 오디오는 한쪽으로 모르셔야 돼요.
어우씨.
이쪽 노트북의 오디오는 끄셔야 되고. 자, 계속 하십시오. 하다가 또 하시죠. 네, 바꾸시죠. 나 교수님.
네.
나 교수님, 강의하십시오.
네.
세팅은 이제 이동하시고 할 테니까.
그럼 하겠습니다. So you can see the combatant ships, aircraft carriers. This is essentially mobile airfields. Supply all air and the other ships in company with them. Normally being the capital ship of any forces. And the cruisers, about 10,000 tons, primarily anti-air warfare. And destroyers, 5 to 10,000 primary tons. Primarily anti-air warfare and anti-submarine warfare.
나 교수님 계속 하세요. 강의 계속
네.
하십시오. 네.
And the amphibious warfare ships. LSD, LHA, LST, LPX, LHTM, LPD. Very complicated meanings, but just you understanding is okay. LSD, and LHA. This is for the seaborne assault by using the aircraft, helicopter, like that. And the amphibious warfare, LST, like that. And RK Navy also recently designed a new LST. and LPX, and LPD, and LGDM. COVID, very speedy patrol craft, fast attack ship, fast attack guided missile ship, just the Chenan class ship. And finally, the small fast patrol craft is there. We Korean Navy recently changed the new ships, Korean Navy PKX Alpha, PKX Bravo type. And the mine warfare ship. Mine warfare categories, the three categories: mine laying, and mine sweeping, mine hunting, and the MSHCH is the mine hunting and mine sweeping is overhead missions. The mine warfare is very, very important in the wartime because and many auxiliary ships are used. You just consider these kinds of the warships exist. Okay, this is all of the warships classification. We can see that. Now, I'd like to explain some warship design characteristics. First, I'd like to compare the warship and the commercial ships. As you can see, the commercial ship and warships, commercial ship is the naval architecture point of view. These four types: so platform and navigation, ship's crew, and ship performances. Same role is the warship, the platform side business, but platform is more complicated and robustly did. Platform is very high speed and complex, but the commercial ship is the medium speed and the simple. At the warship, the systems plus combat system. And the mission point of view, the commercial ship is only navigation itself, cargo and passengers, but the warship is the navigation, war suppliers, and warfare mission. For crew, commercial ships are ship's crew only, and the warship is the ship's crew and the combat personnel needed. Technology side, commercial ships are listed in the ship performance, but warships are ship performance and survivability is needed. Next, when design the warship design, usually the commercial ship design improve existing ships, but warship develop new ships. Any kinds of the warship we redesign and reconstruct. So the ship acquisition period is very long, from concept development and to basic design and detail design. It takes a long time because we have to develop new ships. New type of ships to battle the field of many environments. We have to develop new ships. And requirement needed high technologies. Warships needed quick mobility and severe seakeeping, hard maneuverability and survivability, performance, and combat capability, reduce noise and vibration, and electromagnetic electromagnetic pulse. 소리가 좀 늦게 나오네요. Next is the system integration. Functional integration is important. As you see, the worship three categories: platforms. We call the hull form, structure, and propulsion system, electric systems, auxiliary outfittings. We call platform. And for worship performance, special performance is needed: the survivability, stealth, noise and vibration, shock flow, and EMX. And the most important thing is the combat system, weapon systems, system interface, electronic system like that. But three functions are very closely interfaced and the convergence. So how to design or how to interface and optimize is very important. And the combat system also very, very important characteristics. C2, command and control, and combat execution, and command support. Three categories are installed in the ship. And many sensors are installed in the warship. Long range is the volume search radar and medium range radars, and EOTS, IRST, and the surface search radar. So sensors are the ship proposed more than two covers. For example, some missiles are here with first volume search radar contact and search radar and EOTS. We all can tracking the target and engage that. And the system integration is the information and the data integration is very important. Should be networked. If possible, possibly the open architecture strategy and all on the shipboard enterprise network is best. And technologies change quickly, then commercial off the shelf hardware is very better. And the performance integration and optimize them. As you see, the power, speed, hull resistance, support system, hull volume, stack length, portfolio plate, all together is so affect each other. So some part is changed, the others simultaneously change. So all part of the performance should be optimized. Also, basically the warship is the best. Smaller the best. The smaller the better, because the smaller the ship is, the target area is the altitude is small and very maneuverability is very good, and cost is lower. So, so we designers optimize space and areas integration. For example, the radars, the missiles, the sensors, all together, we allocate the best location and volumes. So this optimization procedure and technique is very important. Especially the warship's initial design stage is very important. For example, the design, as you see this curve, first is the concept design, concept of exploration, design, construction, and system engineering. The design flexibility